Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, Roland Sands, top triple tree clamp. Okay, 2006 up Dyna, FXD, FXDL, FXDB, FXDC. Okay, 0208 2108 BM. This basically means contrast cut. Beautiful bit of kit, as you can see, bit of contrast cutting going on. Really jazzes these up. As you can see, the old logo cast in, or sorry, machined in, and all CNC clamp. So if you want real high-end stuff, this ain't gonna flex. This is way above the quality of the stock item. This is aircraft aluminium. Give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Another item we have got in stock is this beautiful set of risers, also contrast cut. This is a one-piece nostalgic riser. Okay, so if you want a really cool thing to go with this, like Glyn is, give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.